Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to import successfully your own module that you have created. Sometimes you create a module and you're trying to import it, and for some reason it says you know module not name module name not recognized, or import error. So I'm going to show you how to resolve it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open my terminal and work from there. Okay. Say for instance I want to, so let me start with creating a path called mkdir, called demo. Okay. And you can see that it's created here, and in this path, in this folder, I'm going to create a function. So I'm going to create a function called operation, and I'm going to operation.py, and I'm going to create an adding function. So def adding. So let me put two parameters, a and b, and then return as a result a plus b. Okay. So this is my function that I'm going to have to call, and then from there what I'm going to do is I'm going to work with Python from the baseline, from the command line here. And so let's try to import. Okay, let's try to import operation, and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see no module name operation. So what do you do in this circumstance? So what you have to do is you have to invoke the sys command. Okay, so import sys, and then do sys.path, just to find out if you have your the folder or the module that you're looking for. Actually, your module is not there. You can see that your module is not there. So in order for you to be able to use your model, what you have to do is append your the folder where your module is located. Okay, so sys.path that appends, and then you're gonna have to put demo. Okay, demo. All right, so when I do that, if I do sys.path and I look at everything, I'm seeing demo. So most likely it's gonna work. So let's do the imports. Okay, operation, import operation. This time it's working, and now let me call the adding function. So I'm gonna do operation that adding. Okay, and then I'm gonna put two parameters, 2 and 3, and there you go. So you can see here that your module called operation has been created, or has been invoked properly, and you can do the action using the function that you want. So I hope you like this video. I have a lot more to come. So this video, if don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you for another tip in Python. Thank you.